Hi everyone, this is Dr. Ramya from Team MDS Conquer. In this video, we are going to discuss 32 important points from the topic of dental materials. Point number 1. Compressive stress. It is the internal resistance to a load that tends to compress or shorten a body. Number 2. Tensile stress. It is the internal resistance to a load that tends to stretch or elongate a body. Number 3 is shear stress. It is the resistance to the sliding of one portion of a body over another by twisting a torsion load. Number 4. The material used for Knoop hardness test is diamond of rhombic shape. Here the long axis of indentation is measured. The hardness value is independent of the ductility of material. Number 5. The material used for Vickers test, that is the diamond pyramid test, is a diamond of square base shape. Even in this, the diagonal length of indentation is measured. Number 6. The material used for Rockwell test is diamond of conical shape. In this, the penetration depth is measured. Number 7. The material used for Brinell test is steel ball. In this, the diameter of indentation is measured. Number 8. Brinell and Rockwell tests are classified as low hardness tests and they are not suitable for brittle materials. Number 9. The Knoop and Vickers tests are classified as micro hardness test. Both of these tests employ loads less than 9.8 newtons. Point number 10. The Shore and Barkol tests are used for measuring the hardness of rubbers and plastics. Number 11. The Brinell test is one of the oldest tests used for determining the hardness of materials, and it is directly related to proportional limit and the ultimate tensile strength of dental gold alloys. Number 12. In the stress strain graph, the slope of straight line is up to the proportional limit, represents modulus of elasticity. Number 13. In this graph, the area below the modulus within the elastic range is known as resilience, and the area under the entire length of the line up to the fracture strength represents toughness. Number 15. The ultimate tensile strength is the stress at the point of fracture. It is also known as breaking point. Number 16. The contact angle is the angle formed by the adhesive within the adherent at their interface. The less the contact angle, the more the wettability and spreadability. Number 17. Ductility is the ability of a metal to be drawn into a wire under tensile load without rupture. This ductility can be measured by percent elongation and cold blend test. Number 18. Gold is the most ductile and malleable pure metal and silver is second. Platinum ranks third in ductility and copper ranks third in malleability. Number 19. Coefficient of thermal expansion of tooth enamel is closest to type 2 GIC followed by silicates. Number 20. Newtonian Fluid. It is known as ideal liquid as the shear stress is proportional to the strain state. Number 21. Dilatant liquid. In this, the viscosity of liquid increases with increase of shear stress. Number 22. Thixotropic Fluid. In this, the viscosity of fluid decreases under pressure. Number 23. Pseudoplast. Here, the viscosity decreases with increase in shear stress until they reach a constant value. Number 24. Viscoelastic. It is a characteristic of polymers that behave as elastic solids or springs and as a viscous liquids. Number 25. Maximum flexibility. It is defined as the flexural strain that occurs when the material is stressed to its proportional limit. Number 26. One of the most commonly used methods to define and measure color quantitatively is Munsell system. In this system, the parameters of color are represented in 3 dimensions. Number 27. The two different testing techniques used to determine tensile strength are direct tensile strength and diametral compression strength. Number 28. Brazilian cylinder splitting test is the type of diametral compression test and it is widely used test to determine the ultimate tensile strength of brittle materials. Number 29. Eutectic alloy is an alloy for which the component metals have limited solid solubility. Number 30. Peritectic alloy. It is the addition to eutectic system. Here the limited solid solubility of two metals can result in peritectic transformation. Number 31. Energy required to liquefy is known as latent heat of fusion. Number 32. The brightness becomes more intense, color appears to change. This phenomenon is known as Bisol-Brooke effect. That's it for today's session, guys. Keep on revising these points. All the best. Thank you.